This is one of those rare properties where you can rent it, flip it, or rebuild it, and every option makes sense. If you're a flipper, the bones are all here. Light to modern renovation, and you can push the ROI quickly. With just under an acre, there's plenty of room here for a pool or even a full rebuild. And if you're looking for more opportunities like this, you need to be connected to the right agent. Send me a DM to find out more.